What's going on, David? This is Daniel from joshanddannyseo. So let's go through your website. Let's see what we got. So I like your logo here, premium painting. It does take up quite a bit of space. Just a tip, typically you might want it a little smaller and put it all the way in the top left corner so that it's on par with the About Services Gallery painting, paint and coating. So I do like that they're, drop down menu services. That's great. Here's where I'm getting a bit of an issue is we're scrolling, right? So there's a whole side section here because of this contact bar here, I think. So maybe we can close that, like push it over a little bit. But no number over here, so people can quickly click and, give you a quick call like that, turn those people over into customers right away. I love the picture, by the way. Schedule a free estimate, get a quote, excellent. Learn more about us, perfect. So one of the things I'm also looking for is your content, right? Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your homepage alone. And then what do people search for? People are putting specific things into Google like painters Austin or Austin painters. And they really want to find those very key specific things. So I'm looking for like little things like that as well. Like located in Austin is fine, but I'm not seeing anything that refers back to what you do in where you are as well. So I also have that for it. So just going through here, I love this interior painting, exterior. It looks like they're links. That's perfect. You definitely want those. I like how you have a little bit of a explanation. So you're doing good with this. And then you have your request. That's great. Um, let's actually take a look behind the scenes. Okay. Um, I've put in every which way I can for your website, David. There is nothing here. I'm wondering if it's because this is such a new website that can be what's going on. But as of right now, you're not ranked for anything. There's no backlink. So what makes a website, just to give you an idea, let's go here, right? This is a strong organic keyword that people would put in. Painters Austin. It tells them I'm looking for a painter in Austin, Texas. Show me somebody. So we got all of these sponsored people. They want quick results. They're not in the top spots at all, but they're willing to pay to be there. And you can tell they're sponsors because it says that. And then we have another ad over here. I don't know why they have an ad because they're the top person in the GMB. Now, we always want to be in here as well because statistics show 30 to 40% of everyone is going to click on one of these three people. So 30 to 40% of everyone searching this will click on one of these three people. So we definitely want to be in this spot. How do we get there? If you have great reviews, we're responding to great reviews. If we have our name, number, address, which you do have to have here, it's the same across the board on Google, wherever it is you have it. Always the same. And of course, there are multiple different other things we need to put in there, but I'm not going to get into all that today. Um, then we have our organic search, right? This is where you can rank naturally without having to pay for anything. So first thing we got is Yelp. And then we got your first real competitor that you're going to need to beat. Now, I've already checked behind the curtain with this guy. Obviously there is room for improvement for him as well, Tex Painting, but there is ways to beat him. So let's take a look at his website. This is supposed to be a picture. Here we go. See how his slider bar here is? I can't scroll side to side. It's very locked in on this one. He has his call to action here and here, and drop down menus just like you do. Excellent. And then as we scroll through, he's got a lot of content. Painting in Austin. He's got some good keywords and strong keywords in here. Austin home interior and exterior painting area. Not the greatest, but it's there. And he's got Austin, Texas painting contractor. So he's got a lot of content in here with good keywords. He definitely has over 2,000. He just has a good structure here as well, letting you click on different things, commercial, residential galleries, and different things. And then, of course, I don't see a reason to have those on the front page, but people seem to put them there. I think it's just clutter for your homepage, and it's not necessary. If people really care about that, they'll click on, the about or, stuff like that. But everything has its place, and on the front page, you just want to list who you are, what you're doing throughout the board, with links to other parts of your website so that people can see what you're doing. And then, of course, down here, Painters Austin. Now, I don't like the header he has here because it's following me throughout, and it's giving me a much smaller view of what I can see instead of it all just being in this green one here and giving me more space. But let's look behind the curtain here, David. So this is what you should be seeing at some point in the future, right? We have a UR rating of 36, which is how strong his website is, and we have a domain rating, which is, Google's trust in him 30 and 36 right now. We want it between 30 and 40 and a ratio of 1 to 1. So he's doing really good here. How's he doing so great? He's got backlinks. Backlinks is where I have my website linked somewhere else and somebody clicks on it and it gets back to me. And he's got 266 that come back. Now, not all referring domains are created equally. Some of them are very spammy, like our Reddit thing. We don't care for those. We want very authoritative ones, things that give credibility to your website to make Google trust you more. So honestly, if we really wanted, I can go over here, click on this, find out all the good ones he's got, and give them over to you. Very easy to do that. But then let's look at our organic keywords, right? Because all that's useless if people are searching for things and we don't have it on our website for Google to put us in that position. So he's got 1,100 keywords in here, and he's getting 1,400 people through his website alone. So let's look at what those keywords are. So right here, we're going to look at the keyword, and then we're going to look at the volume that he's getting for them. CPC is if we're buying, like those ads. But penny, backer, bridge, these two over here are pulling in a lot. But look, they're just visit spots, so it's somewhere else. It's nothing to do with anything. Same. I mean, this is good. It's on their website. People are searching near me stuff. 800 people. He's getting almost 60 of them because he's in the 5th position for this keyword. But look at the other ones he's got. He's got Painters Austin, House Painting Austin, Austin House Painting, Painters Austin, right? 300, 350, 500. He's getting so many of these keywords with high amount of volume, and he's getting the traffic for it to his website. These are all people who are looking for a painter in Austin, and he's in the 3rd, 2nd position to get those people to his website. So he's in an excellent position to pull that all in. So how does that help you, David? Right? Like I said, all we got to do is just take those domains that he has, those referring domains, and we can give them over to you without any real work there. Second is organic keywords. We got to get 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Get those organic keywords in there as well. Start ranking you for that. Imagine if we can pull in an additional 100, 200 people a month just by your website alone. That would be awesome. But that's all I got for you, David. I really hope this was informative. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. Any feedback would definitely be appreciated. I'm always trying to improve my craft. But otherwise, you have an amazing day, man. Bye.